Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the newly announced 2027 Toyota Sequoia. Toyota just dropped the official details for the 2027 model year, giving their full-size 3-row SUV a mid-cycle refresh. While the underlying platform keeps the same rugged body-on-frame foundation, Toyota has brought some noticeable updates to the table, with refreshed exterior styling, upgraded interior tech, Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, and a brand new Trailhunter package. The biggest headline for 2027 is definitely the addition of that Trailhunter package, which is available on the entry-level SR5 trim. It is built specifically for overlanding and off-grid driving straight from the factory. You get an upgraded Old Man Emu suspension system, Michelin LTX trail tires on unique bronze wheels, additional underbody skid plate protection, front recovery hooks, and a locking rear differential. It also comes integrated with multi-terrain select and crawl control, making it a very capable option if you want adventure-ready hardware without jumping all the way to a TRD Pro or building an aftermarket rig. Looking at the exterior overall, Toyota refined the front-end design with a stronger horizontal layout to give the SUV a wider, more grounded presence. The grille and lower bumper treatments have been reshaped for a cleaner, more modern look, toning down the heavy, bright chrome on select trims and neatly integrate rectangular fog lights. Inside the cabin, the technology gets a major bump. A large 14-inch touchscreen multimedia display is now standard across the entire 2027 Sequoia lineup. Running on a fast 5G network, the system features customizable home screen widgets and faster responses to voice commands. A brand new feature coming standard is an integrated driver recorder dashcam, which uses the vehicle's exterior cameras to record 20-second video clips during manual triggers or detected events. They've also enhanced the digital key functionality, letting you store your key inside Apple, Google, or Samsung wallets, share access with up to 5 drivers, and even use NFC to unlock and start the truck if your phone battery dies. Plus, an available 2.4 kilowatt onboard inverter provides plenty of power for camping gear or tailgating. Safety hardware gets an upgrade as well, with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 bringing improved sensors and detection capabilities for feature sets like pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, and proactive driving assist. Under the hood, the 2027 Sequoia continues to rely on Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. Combining a powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with an electric motor generator, it delivers strong low-end torque and impressive responsiveness, whether you are towing heavy loads, cruising on the highway, or navigating tough off-road trails. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup ensures the Sequoia maintains its strong balance between heavy-duty towing capability and hybrid efficiency. The 2027 Sequoia will continue to offer a broad range of choices across the SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone grades. Production is set to begin in fall 2026, with full pricing announced closer to launch. Overall, Toyota is keeping its full-size SUV fresh with meaningful tech additions and a solid off-road package. Let me know what you think about the new Trailhunter in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive updates, and I will see you in the next one.